So I think I should put a light on. Is that a bit better? I always feel like when the sun starts going down and I put on any like artificial light, it just doesn't, I don't know, I feel like it looks too fake, but I really want you guys to see my skin properly. So my lovelies, to be honest with you, this afternoon I have just been working on the sofa. I've had a lot of deadlines, so I've needed to do a lot of bits and bobs, and then I obviously just jumped in the bath, and then after my bath I realised I hadn't washed my hair for like 5 days. I know that's disgusting to say. So I was like, oh my god, I need to wash my hair. So I washed my hair and I've just blow dried it. I've just turned my straighteners on now. I'm just gonna go over it with the straighteners. I feel like I haven't straightened my hair in ages. A lot of you guys prefer my hair straight, but I think it's because I always have it curly, so it's nice to just like mix it up a bit. You know when you just can't be bothered to like curl your hair? So I thought I could just straighten it, which to be honest with you, it does look quite straight already from just blow drying it. And then I want to talk to you guys about my skincare and what I've been using at the moment, because I always get questions on it, and I have recently discovered this new product, and I just, like, every single person will want this product. Like, every person, no matter your skin type, no matter how old you are. It's just, oh, I'm so excited. It's been like a godsend for me because it's basically tailored for my skin type. So yeah, anyway, I've just gone over with the straighteners. The underneath bit is definitely wavy, but I'm just gonna leave that because I can't see that. So I'm just gonna pop these clips in. I always use these. Believe it or not, these are my last 2. They come in this huge packet of like 50, and I've got 2 left. And I don't know where they are. It's like, what are they called? Kirby grips? Is that what they're called? Like the really thin ones. Where do they go? No idea. And hairbands. I feel like there's just like someone that comes and takes them all because they disappear. Anyway, I am gonna do my evening skincare. It is 5:30 now. Usually, and I actually learnt this from Caroline Hyron. I think that's how you say her name. I always feel like I say her name wrong. I basically watched loads of skincare videos and tips and tricks and things like that. And she said, as soon as you come home from work, from a day out, whatever, don't sit in your makeup and then do your skincare in the evening, like later in the evening. She said, literally come home from work. If you know you're not going out again or you don't need your makeup on, take it off straight away, because that's going to help your skin that little bit more. And I've really loved that tip, just because I actually don't wear makeup a lot. Obviously on YouTube when I'm filming a lot I always look really glam, but honestly I don't. I even said to Bradley the other day, I was like, do you think I wear makeup more or have like no makeup days more? And he was like, definitely no makeup. But it's just funny because obviously you guys only see like little bits and bobs. So yeah, I take a lot of care in my skincare. I'm really particular with the products I use. You've only got one skin, so take the best care of it you can. I have loads of tips on skincare. Obviously drinking a lot of water helps, using brands that you get on with your skin, and also using brands that tailor make with your skin, because it's like a one-of-a-kind product for you, you know? So a holy product that I have been keeping a secret from you guys, mainly because I wanted to test and try it to the full for myself. So for the past, I think it's been about a month now, or just under a month, I've been using this product every single night, every single evening, and it has transformed my skin. Recent videos I spoke about my skin and how it had been playing up recently. I had a massive spot here, which the scarring, to be fair, I didn't pick it, but there's like a mark left, but it's going, which is fine. My skin was really bad, and I don't want to sound braggy, but I've never been the sort of person, even when I was in school, I never had acne, I never suffered with things like that. I had the odd hormonal spot, which is normal, I still do now. I'm due my period in a couple of days, it's normal, you know? Things like that you can't control. I got taught at an early age to really take care of my skin and use products that really help my skin, and I drink a lot of water. That's basically all I drink, apart from the odd wine here and there. But yeah, I literally just drink water. I don't drink juice, I don't drink fizzy drinks, none of that, because when I do, I break out. And I think it's just important to take that extra care of your skin. So I wanted to talk to you guys about Dermatica. This video is really kindly partly sponsored by them, and honestly, I'm so excited about it just because of how incredible they are and how beautiful their products are. So Dermatica is an online dermatology service offering prescription skincare, which is custom made for your skin. No one else's skin, yours. So there's literally 3 simple steps to the whole thing. So the amazing thing is it is all online. Obviously I'll leave all the links and stuff in the description box down below. So what you do is you fill out this little survey about you and your skin. You send selfies of your skin with no makeup on. So once that's done and they look at your skin and they understand more about your skin because of the survey you filled out and the selfies, they then custom make your product. So the amazing thing is every 28 days you will receive your custom made product, and over time if your skincare changes you can speak to them about it, which is just amazing. They've always got your support and they genuinely really care about you and your skin. So it is a prescription service which costs £19.99 every 28 days, and that's $24.99. I know I have some American followers as well, which is just so lovely. But of course I have an incredible discount for you guys. So if you use the promo code AMY20, you'll get your first month for free, completely free, so you can try it out for yourself, and then the second month you'll get 20% off, which is incredible. I honestly love this so much. I love it so much. But this is my second one that I've got because I've carried it on myself, which is just, it says it all. They haven't asked me to do this, but I just want to show you guys the unboxing. So this is what it comes like. I love how it's really minimal. You literally just use one pump. I'll pop it on in a minute to show you guys. Obviously, I'm not just going to talk to you guys about it and not use it. So when you open it up, it is your custom-made personal prescription skin treatment. It feels like serum, but it's got all the incredible benefits that you need for your exact skin type. So it looks like this. Here, which is really interesting, there's a QR code. So if you get your camera out, obviously I don't know if you guys know how to use a QR code, you literally just get your camera out, it focuses on it, and then you can see it comes up at the top like that. And then you can see exactly what is inside your bottle. And the website is really useful and easy to use. Like here are my pictures of my skincare. It says treatment history. It's just incredible. It's just what you need. I feel like sometimes, you know, everyone has their own favourite skincare and their own favourite products. So they have a unique prescription super ingredients for the best result. They have gold standard anti-aging, anti-acne, and anti-pigmentation control. These are the most effective ingredients which you cannot find in any cosmetic product. For aging skin, their dermatology team prescribe tretinoin, I feel like I'm saying that wrong, which is a gold standard ingredient for anti-aging to deliver superior results. So I literally use one pump and I use it at night. So always in my evening skincare, a little goes a long way, so I just do one pump, which is really easy, and they've obviously done it so there's no waste, and every 28 days you get your new subscription. It isn't scented or anything either. I know that some people don't like that, so it's just really simple and easy to use. I basically evenly distribute it on my face, and then afterwards I just push it into my skin, so it just feels incredible. But this one is literally nearly gone, so I'm so grateful that I have this one now so I can carry it on. So I do this, I let it set in, do its thing, and then I just sort of like push it into my skin. Let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah, I like to push it into my skin just so I know the product is really getting into my skin. You can literally see around my nose. I can't even explain. I had such bad redness and pigmentation around my nose. It's just gone and it's just incredible. Like there's the tiniest bit left, but it's only because I've been using it for about just over 3 weeks now. I know for a fact the more I use it, the more this is gonna go. So they suggest doing it in really simple steps to cleanse your skin. Then I use this. Then I use my evening moisturizer over the top, and it just creates the most perfect skincare for your skin. By the way, I have left about 3 minutes. You don't need to, but I just like leaving about 3 minutes after I've used the Dermatica just to like seep into my skin. And then I'm just going to put moisturiser over the top, look it all in place, and then that is it. That's my skincare done. I like simple skincare that I know works for my skin, and I love how this brand is tailor-made for each of us. Like everyone that's watching this video, they can tailor make it to you and your skincare, no one else. I just think it's incredible. So the first month you'll get it for free. You just have to pay a little bit for shipping, which is not a lot at all. And then your second month you can get for 20% off using my code AMY20. So all the information will be down below. Even if you just wanted to have a little look, or you know someone in your family or your friends that's suffering with their skincare, you can do it with them. You can help them out. This is a product that is tailor-made for your skin. You can't get this in shops. You won't find the ingredients that are in this product in a shop or in other products that you can just sort of buy online. This is dermatology tested. There's science behind it, and I just love how it's tailor-made for you and your skincare. And I also like how you don't have to worry about it, you know. Every 28 days you'll get your new one come through, and it will just be that sort of routine that you're excited to get, and you know it works and it's going to help you. And skincare is just such an important thing, especially when you get a bit older. You should take that extra care in it. You only get one skin, so just take the best care you can. And yeah, I'm just obsessed with this, and I know you guys will love it too because it's made for you and your skincare. It's just silly not to. And even if you trial it out for the next few months, see how you get on, and you get obviously your first month free and then your second month for 20% off. So yeah, just incredible. Okay, so my skincare is now done. I'm feeling really good about it. What's the time? It's about 6 o'clock. I'm not that hungry yet. I'm gonna see what Gousto we do have though, because I'm intrigued. Okay, we have these two left. So a Chinese beef and broccoli stir fry. 10 minutes that takes. Or a creamy bacon, mushroom and leek linguine. Oh, that sounds nice. I think we should make this one. I think that sounds really nice. 25 minutes, that's not too bad. So yeah, let's go and do that. If you don't know anything about Gousto, obviously this isn't sponsored. We pay for it every single week. We love this so much. It is like a weekly food subscription, and I have a personal code. So if you want to get money off, I don't actually remember what it is, but you get money off as well or something. I'll pop it in the description box down below, but I think we should make that. Oh, I'm really excited now. All of a sudden I'm hungry.
I don't think that I'm being that selfish right now. You said yourself you'd be breaking every vow. I can understand you're tired of this town, and I'm not saying that we have to settle down now. Just remember this: we could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there, made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you to do. And I'll be out there looking for someone like you. Stardust, stardust.
Okay, I have made my dinner. Bradley is actually out tonight, so just by myself, which is actually fine. It's fine. No, to be honest, we eat basically every single dinner together, so this is just a little one-off. But I wanted to show you the food. How nice does that look? It tastes incredible, and I love how like there's no food waste or anything like that. So yeah, honestly, this tastes incredible. So I'm going to put the other half of this in a little Tupperware, either for Bradley when he gets back later, but I don't know if he's eaten out, or for my lunch tomorrow, which is really nice. So I'm going to enjoy this. I've got, believe it or not, more work to do. I've also got apple juice in here. I feel like apple juice tastes so much nicer in a wine glass with a bit of ice. Like, try it and then let me know because it's so good. So yeah, just going to enjoy this and we'll have a cozy evening. So my lovelies, I am just sat on the sofa with my fur babies here. It's actually such a nice evening. It's really overcast, but the sun's going down now, but it's a really nice summer's evening. I've got my laptop here and I'm just going to finish up all my work bits and bobs. And that's literally it for the evening. Bradley should be home soon, which is really nice. And then I think I'm going to have a Solero later, my guilty pleasure for this summer. I'm just obsessed with them. So I think I'll have one of those, chill for a bit, and then it's bedtime. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it. It was honestly so much fun just to spend the day and evening together. I really enjoyed it. I love doing these sort of videos and just at home. It's just nice and cozy. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in my next one.